Welcome to Global Watch. Today, we dive into the engine room of India's strategic rise. From groundbreaking defense deals cementing India's footprint across Europe and the Middle East, to showcasing Made in India missiles now guarding critical borders, the Atmanirbhar revolution is accelerating. India isn't just buying security, we are building it and exporting it. Get ready for an action-packed strategic update. Let's get into the details. First up, a monumental win for Make in India. Armenia, facing high regional tension, has fully operationalized its new defense shield, and it's entirely Indian. Videos are confirming the successful deployment of DRDO-developed Akash surface-to-air missile systems and the powerful Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launchers. This is the operational proof point that India is now a serious, reliable global defense exporter, transforming geopolitical balances with indigenous technology. This export success echoes across the Gulf, with India securing a significant new defense manufacturing deal with the UAE, further deepening strategic ties. And underpinning all this success? Indigenous innovation. Reports highlight how DRDO's specialized material science, the steels behind the strike, played a critical role in recent operational achievements, proving self-reliance starts at the foundational level of metallurgy and engineering. Shifting focus to the Mediterranean, India's strategic partnership with Greece is reaching unprecedented levels. Greek Defense Minister Nikos Dendias officially stated that India has become an indispensable partner for Europe. This critical recognition underscores India's growing role in global security architecture. The two nations are formalizing this cooperation via a joint declaration of intent for defense industrial collaboration and technology transfer. The Greece partnership gained concrete operational weight this week. Athens will post a liaison officer at India's Information Fusion Center for the Indian Ocean Region, the IFCIOR. This move significantly boosts real-time maritime domain awareness and intelligence sharing, making the Indian Ocean safer for partner nations and cementing India's central role in regional security monitoring. On the procurement front, strategic realignment is clear. US defense exports to India are surging post-pandemic, cementing the shift away from traditional suppliers and highlighting deepening Washington-Delhi ties. Meanwhile, competition for India's next-gen fighter jet continues, with Sweden's Saab aggressively seeking induction for its advanced Gripen fighter into the Indian Air Force. Major decisions are looming that will define the IAF's capability roadmap for decades. Finally, looking east, India is future-proofing its defense technology with Malaysia. New high-level agreements highlight cooperation in advanced domains like artificial intelligence and critical semiconductors, the backbone of modern defense systems. This strategic focus ensures that future security partnerships are built not just on hardware, but on the intellectual and technological superiority required for the 21st century battlefield. From the mountains of Armenia to the waters of the IOR, India's strategic profile is sharper than ever. We are moving confidently from being a defense consumer to a global defense provider, backed by homegrown innovation and critical international partnerships. The message is clear: Bharat is ready for the world stage. What story stood out most to you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Global Watch for your weekly dose of strategic analysis. Jai Hind!